like this one. And later we're gonna discuss about traveling ya. Nanti untuk di breakout room teman-teman akan berdiskusi tentang traveling experience that you ever had nih. Mungkin di sini lebih suka teman-teman kalau traveling menggunakan mobil maybe ya. That you prefer car than another public transportation, or maybe that you prefer it looks like a airplane. Mungkin di sini ada yang suka naik pesawat nih kalau semisal traveling ya. And how about you, Sis Naila? What's your favorite transportation when you want to go on vacations like that? Or when you are traveling, what's your favorite transportation? Sis Naila. Oh, Sis Naila kira-kira kendaraan favoritnya kalau lagi traveling apa nih?
Hmm, car.
Okay, that's about car.
Yes.
It's your favorite one ya. And how about you, Bro Fahmi? What's your favorite transportation when you are traveling?
Motorcycle?
Pardon? What's your favorite transportation when you are
Motorcycle.
traveling? Motorcycle.
Yeah.
All right, that's your favorite one. And how about you, Sis Lala? What's your favorite transportation when you are traveling?
Like motorcycle?
Mhm. Okay. That you like motorcycle too? That's your
Yes.
favorite one. Okay. And how about Sis Beta? What's your favorite transportation when you are traveling?
Okay, when I'm traveling, my favorite transportation is the airplane.
Okay, the airplane. That's your favorite one. Yeah. Okay, that's nice, Sis
Yes.
Beta. Or maybe how about you, Sis Eka? What's your favorite transportations?
My favorite transportation if I'm traveling is same with Lara, the aeroplane.
Mm, it's about the airplane shoe. Okay, it's nice, Sis Eka. And how about you, Sis Sophia? What's your favorite transportation when you are traveling?
Airplane also.
Okay, airplane, the best choice, yeah, for transportation. Yeah. And how about you, Sis Raisa? What's your favorite transportation for traveling? Wah, that's about nothing for this. Okay, so that's totally that we have about 8 participants. Wait a second. I'm gonna show you about this our listening practice today ya. Jadi akan bro jelaskan untuk listening practice kita di hari ini. Nah, ini dia nih teman-teman. Support of our listening section challenge. Nah, jadi untuk nanti teman-teman silakan that you could complete these words ya. Jadi teman-teman bisa melengkapi beberapa kosakata yang kosong ini. Kayak number one, titik-titiknya apa. Nanti silakan teman-teman lengkapi berdasarkan pada audio yang akan berputar nantinya ya. Itu ada number one, number two, number three, number four, number five, number six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. Jadi ada 10 angka yang bisa teman-teman lengkapi ya. That we have about 10 numbers that you should collect it ya. Jadi teman-teman lengkapi 10 angka ini by the way. Jadi sekali lagi, teman-teman melengkapinya berdasarkan pada audio ya. That's based on the audio that you try to listen to. Nah, based on the audio nih. Jadi that we have about 10 ya. Jadi nanti silahkan dipersiapkan catatannya untuk mencatat jawaban. Or if you want to prepare it about your earphone agar nanti suaranya lebih jelas ya teman-teman ya. That's why you could prepare it about your earphones too. That's only 10 ya. Jadi cuma 10 angka aja yang bisa teman-teman lengkapi ini. Jadi kita akan mulai nanti jam 10 lebih 11 ya. Atau 10, 11. This we're gonna start about our listening section. Jadi nanti teman-teman menulis jawabannya di catatan teman-teman ya. That you could write down about the answer of that missing word. Jadi teman-teman bisa melengkapinya nanti di catatannya dulu. Setelah itu nanti kita akan cek sama-sama jawaban teman-teman. Dikarenakan akan berputar audionya 2 kali. I'm gonna play the audio twice. That's why you could make sure about your answer by writing on your note or on your paper or maybe on your book like that. That's never mind. Okay, 1 minute left ya. Okay, 1 menit lagi. We're gonna start about our listening section. Okay, 10, 11. Let's get started our listening section ya teman-teman ya. Kita mulai listening section kita. Sudah jam 10 lebih 11 nih. Okay. Okay, so let's get started about our listening section. Ready ya teman-teman ya? Okay. Three, two, one, and let's go teman-teman. There's only 10 numbers ya. Kita mulai listening section kita. Bisa teman-teman nanti tulis jawabannya dulu di catatannya ya. That you could write down on your book or maybe on your notes nih. Kita mulai 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Hey Chantal, what do you do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I wake up and first I make breakfast.
Oh, what do you make?
I like to make toast.
All right. I often eat toast too.
Do you put butter on your toast?
I do. I put butter and jam.
Ooh, I love butter and jam on my toast.
Do you eat cereal?
No, I used to, but not anymore.
Yeah, on the weekend, I don't eat cereal. On the weekend, I cook a nice breakfast, but I eat cereal during the week. What else do you do on the weekend?
Let's see. After I eat breakfast, I clean the kitchen and make my bed. What about you?
I also clean my house. I clean my rooms. I vacuum. I wash the windows. I wash the dishes. I do my laundry. I do that on Saturday, but on Sunday, I have fun.
And what do you do for fun?
I go to the park. I play sports. I play soccer at the park. Sometimes I ride my bike. Sometimes I go hiking. I do lots on Sunday. On Sunday, I relax. I don't study. I don't work. And I don't clean my house.
Nice.
What do you do on Sunday?
I also enjoy my time on Sunday. I really like to meet my friends And sometimes we go to festivals or visit new cities, and we eat a lot of really good food.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yes, actually, we also really enjoy camping. Do you like camping?
I love camping. I love the outdoors. I go hiking often.
Oh, me too.
Oh, that's cool. What about Sunday evening?
Oh, Sunday evening, I relax. I cook a big dinner and I listen to music, and sometimes I read my book. But often I go to sleep very early on Sunday.
Oh, wow.
And you?
Well, on Sunday, I don't cook. I usually order food. I order pizza, or maybe I eat at a restaurant. And then later in the evening, on Sunday, I always watch TV. So my favorite TV show is on Sunday night.
And what's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is called Billions.
Billions?
Yeah, it's about money and power in New York. It's very interesting.
Nice. Maybe I should watch it.
Oh, you should, but you go to bed early.
Yes, around 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can see it.
Okay.
So, kurang berapa nomor nih teman-teman? Apakah sudah terjawab semuanya? Atau kurang? It looks like it two numbers left, or maybe it's about three numbers left, or maybe that you have filled all of them. Yeah. Okay. Mungkin ada yang kurang.
Number 6.
Oke, kurang satu angka nih ya. Oke, so tenang teman-teman, yang kurang satu angka, we still have there's another, especially second chance ya. Kita mempunyai kesempatan kedua nih untuk mendengarkan audionya lagi. That's why you can check about your answer for the next ya. Jadi teman-teman bisa cek di kesempatan kedua ini nih. Oke, kita mulai ya teman-teman ya. Untuk kesempatan kedua kita. 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Hey, Chantel, what do you do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I wake up and first I make breakfast.
Oh, what do you make?
I like to make toast.
All right. I often eat toast too.
Do you put butter on your toast?
I do. I put butter and jam.
Ooh, I love butter and jam on my toast.
Do you eat cereal?
No, I used to, but not anymore.
Yeah, on the weekend, I don't eat cereal. On the weekend, I cook a nice breakfast, but I eat cereal during the week. What else do you do on the weekend?
Let's see. After I eat breakfast, I clean the kitchen and make my bed. What about you?
I also clean my house. I clean my rooms. I vacuum. I wash the windows. I wash the dishes. I do my laundry. I do that on Saturday, but on Sunday, I have fun.
And what do you do for fun?
I go to the park. I play sports. I play soccer at the park. Sometimes I ride my bike. Sometimes I go hiking. I do lots on Sunday. On Sunday, I relax. I don't study. I don't work. And I don't clean my house.
Nice.
What do you do on Sunday?
I also enjoy my time on Sunday. I really like to meet my friends, and sometimes we go to festivals or visit new cities, and we eat a lot of really good food.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yes, actually, we also really enjoy camping. Do you like camping?
I love camping. I love the outdoors. I go hiking often.
Oh, me too.
Oh, that's cool. What about Sunday evening?
Oh, Sunday evening, I relax. I cook a big dinner and I listen to music and sometimes I read my book. But often I go to sleep very early on Sunday.
Oh, wow.
And you?
Well, on Sunday, I don't cook. I usually order food. I order pizza, or maybe I eat at a restaurant. And then later in the evening, on Sunday, I always watch TV. So my favorite TV show is on Sunday night.
And what's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is called Billions.
Billions?
Yeah, it's about money and power in New York. It's very interesting.
Nice. Maybe I should watch it.
Oh, you should, but you go to bed early.
Yes, around 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can see it.
Okay.
Alright, so let's check it about your answer ya teman-teman ya. Kita cek jawaban teman-teman nih. Okay, so how about the answer of number one? Kira-kira jawaban teman-teman number one apa ya? What do you do on titik-titik? How about the answer nih?
On the weekend.
On the weekend, yakin nih. Cuma itu aja jawabannya.
The weekend.
Yakin? Sure? Alright, so the correct answer, number one is Hazel. What do you do on the weekend ya? Jadi apa yang kamu lakukan di akhir pekan ya? Jadi jawaban number one itulah on the weekend. Number two, how about number two?
Toast.
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 Yakin, tos
Toast.
aja nih jawabannya. Ada
Yes.
jawaban yang lain, sure? Okay,
Sure.
I make
so
toast. I like to
the
make toast.
correct answer is for number two. As we could find it's about toast ya. Jadi untuk teman-teman yang suka sarapan
Toast.
menggunakan roti panggang ya, atau roti bakar, kita bisa pakai toast di sini. Ada yang sarapan pakai roti panggang, teman-teman, atau roti bakar? Especially about toast.
Yeah. Yep.
Yes,
Once in a
yeah.
while.
Okay. It's about the sometimes or once in a while ya, that you try to have a breakfast with toast nih. Jadi number two is about toast ya. Or maybe that you have a toaster at home. Ada yang punya pemanggang roti juga?
Yes,
Yes,
I
I
have.
have.
I do.
Yes, yes, you
I
have
do.
it ya. That you have it about the toaster. Jadi kalau toaster itu mesin pemanggangnya ya teman-teman ya. Jadi kalau toast roti panggangnya nih. And alright, I titik-titik eat toast too.
Often.
I eat toast.
I do.
Often.
I do.
I do
Often.
eat
I
toast
do eat
too.
Often.
toast too.
I often
Make.
I
eat toast.
often eat toast too.
Ada yang often, ada yang I do ya.
No,
Wow,
I
let's we
often.
have a lot
Often.
of
I
Often.
answer
do.
nih.
Often.
Yes, we have a lot of answer for number three. So the correct answer is that we could say it's about often.
I
Yeah.
often.
Now
Often.
for this name. And number four, I put butter
Jam.
and
Jam.
Jam.
yakin nih.
Yes.
Jam
Yes.
atau jam?
Jam.
Jam.
This isn't jam. Sure.
Sure. Jam.
Ya Allah.
Okay. I put butter and it looks like a jam nih ya. Itu ada selainya ya teman-teman ya. Jadi that you could find it's about that ya. Jadi kalau kita mau bilang selai, kita bisa ucapin jam ya. Bukan jam. Kalau jam nanti lebih ke melompat by the
Lompat.
way. Nah.
Kenapa sih? Nggak rapi.
And number five,
Make
my
my
bed.
bed.
Make my bed.
Make my bed.
My bed.
My bed.
okay.
It's my bed.
Number
my
five
bed.
is make my
Make
bed.
my bed.
Jadi kalau kita mau bilang merapikan tempat tidur, kita bisa ucapin make my bed.
Make my bed.
Oke.
my
Jadi bukan membuat tempat tidur ya, teman-teman ya. Ini lebih ke merapikan tempat tidur that you usually do after waking up ya. That you try to make my bed nih. Kita merapikan tempat tidur. Number 6.
vacuum.
Vacuum.
I vacuum.
Vacuum.
Oke, this number
Vacuum.
6 is vacuum ya. Jadi vacuum
Vacuum.
itu lebih ke menyedot debu
Nyedot.
ya, teman-teman ya. Tapi kalau vacuum cleaner itu adalah alatnya.
Alat.
Kalau vacuum kita tindakannya ya. Nah, terus number 7.
Wash the
Wash the
dishes.
dishes.
Wash the dishes.
wash my dishes.
She was my dishes, is Raisa. Oke. Oke, she was my dishes.
Wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes.
Wash the
Ada yang
dishes.
was the dishes juga. Oke, ada 2 jawaban ya. So the correct answer for number 7 is I wash
Wash
the
the
dishes
the
ya, atau
dishes.
mencuci piring-piring ya, teman-teman ya. Jadi kalau teman-teman mau bilang mencuci piring bisa pakai wash the dishes. Ada yang sering mencuci piring bersih, teman-teman di sini?
Ada.
Me.
I
Si
do.
Sofia. Si Sofia
Yes.
ya.
Yeah.
Oke, the one and
I
only
like
ya.
clean the dishes.
Suka banget mencuci piring bersih ya si
Yeah, I
Sofia
like.
ya.
Yep,
The
of course.
one
I
and
don't want
only.
like the smell.
Okay, so really cool for this nih. And number 8. Wah, number 8 familiar nih, number 8.
Outdoor.
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 Oke, outdoor, that's correct ya, familiar ya. I love the outdoor. Jadi kalau the ketemu dengan huruf vokal pengucapannya, kita bisa baca the ya. The outdoors, seperti
The
itu. That you
outdoor.
could say it about that nih. I love the outdoor. Or maybe that you say about the actor. Nah, seperti itu juga bisa kita gunakan ya. Tapi kalau the ketemu dengan huruf konsonan atau huruf mati, kita baca the aja. Kayak the bank, atau the hospital, the cinema. Tapi kalau ada pengucapan huruf vokal, bisa dibaca the. Number 9, I
Order.
usually
Order.
Order.
order. Familiar
Order
juga ya.
food.
I
Order.
usually order food. Number 10,
Oh,
Interesting.
Number
interesting.
10, interesting.
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 nah that's correct ya.
It's
Number 10
very
is
interesting.
it's very interesting ya, atau itu
Interesting.
sangat menarik ya. It's very interesting. Jadi interested sama
Very
interesting
interesting.
beda ya, teman-teman ya.
Iya.
Jadi kalau interested itu adalah tertarik, tapi kalau interesting itu menarik nih. That's so really different ya. For example, that you say, wow, your watch is very interesting, and I am interested to your house nih. That's why there's a really different meaning ya for this one. Jadi kalau teman-teman mau bilang aku tertarik, bisa pakai I am interested. Tapi kalau itu menarik, kita bisa ucapin it's interesting nih for this one. Jadi bukan menarik gini ya, teman-teman ya. Kayak membuat kita suka melihatnya atau ingin memilikinya. That you could say it's about interesting. Okay, so si Salah berhasil menjawab berapa nih? How many numbers that you could fill? That you could complete it? It's about 10? Or maybe 11? Wah, nggak sampai 11 ya si Salah ya.
9.
Oh, 9. Okay. That's nice, Sis Lola. Sis Beta, how many numbers that you could fill?
I can answer all the numbers.
All numbers. Okay. Sis Sophia, how many numbers that you could answer it or fill it?
I answered all of them.
All of them. Okay, that's nice. Bro Fahmi, how many numbers, Bro Fahmi?
7.
7. Okay, nice, Bro Fahmi. Sis Naila? Berapa angka, Sis Naila? Or Sis Eka? How many numbers that you could fill?
All numbers.
All numbers. Okay. Sis Raisa, how many numbers that you could fill?
8 number.
8 numbers. Okay, that's a really cool. And Sis Maria, how many numbers?
6 number.
Okay, that's nice, Sis Maria. And how about it looks like Sis Seroja, how many numbers?
5.
5. Okay, that's a really cool, Sis Seroja. Okay, Sis Jihan, how many numbers that you could fill?
6 number.
Six number. Okay, nice, Jihan. Sis Pamela, how many numbers that you could feel?
Sorry, bro. I just joined.
Oh, you just join. Okay, that's never
Okay.
mind, Sis Pamela ya. Alright, jadi seperti itu ya teman-teman, and the support of our listening section. Jadi untuk melatih telinga kita agar jauh lebih familiar dengan kalimat bahasa Inggris atau lebih familiar dengan kosakata baru juga ya. Kayaknya semuanya hampir familiar ya untuk kosakata yang kita tebak teman-teman. That's why that's so really easy for you nih. Oke, dan kita juga bisa menemukan kayak present tense, bisa juga menemukan it looks like what ya ditambahkan dengan to be kayak what is your favorite TV show. It's a part of the nominal sentence ya. Oke, kita mulai teman-teman untuk latihan kita ya di breakout room. And I'm gonna choose about the interviewer and please try to tell about that nih. Oke, so untuk interviewer kelompok 1 that we have. Nah, Bro Fahmi sebagai interviewer. Kelompok 2 interviewernya that we have Sis Seroja ya. Si Seroja menjadi interviewer nih. Silakan memberi pertanyaan kepada teman-teman yang ada di roomnya ya. Oke, kita mulai. 3, 2, 1, and let's go teman-teman. Let's get started about our listening section. Okay, so we're back again on our main room that you have practiced with your friend on our breakout room before. Tadi teman-teman sudah saling berlatih ya di breakout room dan ada beberapa interviewer di kelompok satu ada Bro Fahmi dan di kelompok dua ada Sis Seroja 2. Okay, so let's get started about our 1 minute challenge. Kita mulai nih tantangan 1 menit kita ya. That's why I'm really curious. There's a part of do you like traveling? And what city have you visited in Indonesia? And what are special places in Indonesia? What are there any memorable moment there? And what do you recommend about the city or places? And what city have you visited in Indonesia too? Okay. So, wait a second. Okay, that we have about several participants who have raised your hand. That we have about Sis Sophia. Silahkan Sis Sophia that you could answer the question ya. Do you like traveling? What city have you visited in Indonesia? What are special places in the city? Are there any memorable moment there? And the last, what do you recommend about city or
Okay.
places?
Yes, I love traveling. I have visited several cities in Central Java, like Solo, Klaten, Wonogiri, and Salatiga, also Jogja. What special places in that city is some special place in Solo. For example, is Kraton Surakarta, Hadiningrat, and Pura Mangkunegara. My most memorable moment is riding a bike early in the morning through the city of Solo with other tourists. I recommended about city or place. I always recommend to try local food and the best coffee shop when traveling to new cities or places. That's it.
Okay, that's very cool, Sis Sophia ya. Wow, detail banget that you try to recommend about the cities, the place too ya. And also that you try to put about the special things and also that you try to message about the several cities that you have ever been there before ya. It's more than
Yeah,
one, right? Okay.
yeah,
And
more
that's a
than one.
really cool ya, Sis
Yeah,
Sophia.
I
Perfect
often to
ya.
go there.
Okay. That's a perfect, Sis Sophia. Nggak ada yang miss untuk pengucapannya dan confident-nya
Thank
oke
you so much.
sekali. Nice preparation. You're welcome. Sis Eka, how about you, Sis Eka?
Okay, thank you, Bro Yud.
Mhm.
I like traveling very much. I have visited Bali Island, Medan,
Mhm.
Makassar, and many more. And the special places there are the Pandawa Beach at Bali, Tobalik
Mhm.
at Medan, and Tanah Toraja in Makassar.
Mhm.
I have special memorable moment in Bali Island because I met my husband for the first time when I lived there. If you go to that city, I recommend you to try their cuisine, especially if you go to Medan and Makassar.
Mhm.
They have so many kind of delicious cuisine. Thank you.
Oke, they should try to put about the cuisine for this one ya, Sis Eka ya. Benar banget. Jadi kalau hidangan khas bisa pakai cuisine. That's a really cool for this one. And that you had about the sweet memory ya, when you lived in Bali ya, because that you met your husband there ya. Okay. So, Sis Eka, oke banget ya untuk grammatical structures-nya dan untuk pengucapannya juga that's a really good for the pronunciation and that's a really clear. It's easy to catch every point that you say it. Dan untuk detailingnya ditambahkan aja sih Eka biar temen-temen bisa tahu nih kuizennya apa ya. Mungkin disebutin salah satu kuizen yang pernah sis Eka temukan ya. Nah, saya kalau kuizen aja in general ya. Jadi bisa disebutkan makanannya apa tuh for this one. Oke. So itu aja sis Eka ya. Tambahkan jenis makanannya nih. Atau nama makanannya. Oke. And sis Raisa, is your turn.
Yes,
Oke, come on.
I like traveling
Mm.
and visited in Indonesian is Medan, city
Hmm.
Medan, and special place in city. The mall is a special place. Memorable moments there are many, one of which is delicious food, rice Minang. I recommend going to the Manhattan Mall because it's a big mall. Thank you.
Oke, you're welcome, Sis Raisa ya. Wow. For your confidence, that's really good. Preparasinya oke ya. Oke, and also that you try to mess about the food nih ya. Cuma ini aja, Sis Raisa ya. Jadi bukan City Medan, tapi Medan City. Jadi Medannya dulu baru City-nya ya. Jadi agak sedikit kebalik, by the way. Itu aja sih untuk koreksinya ya. Penyusunannya, detailingnya oke, pengucapan oke, dan grammatical structures itu tadi for this. Okay, it's only that feedback that I can give to you, Sis Raisa, and it's a perfect for that. Bro Fahmi, wow, our interviewer. Come on, Bro Fahmi. I'm really curious about your traveling experience.
Okay. I like traveling.
Mm-hmm.
I have visited Batu City a few times during my
Mm-hmm.
college time.
Mm-hmm.
There are so many occasions, sport and nature attraction like Jatim Park, Shanghai Hot Spring, beautiful waterfall, and many more. My favorite memory was when we to Mustang in the Shanghai Hot Spring. Our skin was red all over, and my friends showed where it looks like well done. I recommended you go to Albert City. It's a chilly highland area, which is great. Thank you.
Okay, there's very close about this one, Bro Fahmi, that you try to tell us about Jatim Park, yeah? Wow. It's a part of the tourist attraction that's located in Batu, yeah, for that, and that you ever been there, nih. Okay, so that's already cool, Bro Fahmi, when you try to tell us about this one. As a university city student, ya, that you have about the several experience for traveling, ya. Oke, penyusunan kalimatnya oke banget, Bro Fahmi. Dan untuk penyebutannya juga jelas semua ya, gak ada yang miss nih. Perfect and nice preparation for that, Bro Fahmi. Okay. And also Sis Lala. How about you, Sis Lala?
Yes.
Okay, that you could start it, Sis Lala.
Yes, I do. I like to travel.
Mm-mm.
I visited in maybe in Surabaya City, Kediri, Malang, and Jogja, the farthest and other, and the places special maybe I think in Jogja is like Malioboro, the special places and many tourists. And maybe yes, I have with my friends the memory. I will recommend Jogja City because I think that beautiful place in Java and many souvenir centers and many delicious food in Jogja. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome, Sis Lala. Wow, that's a perfect experience that you ever had it ya. Tadi juga pakai many ya. Okay, and that you mentioned about the places more than one. That's really cool ya. Okay, perfect grammatical structures, nice preparation. Untuk confidence-nya oke sekali. Tinggalkan terus Sis Lala ya. And Sis Naila? How about you, Sis Naila?
Okay, thank you.
Mm.
Yes, I like traveling.
Mm.
Mm,
And what city have you visited? Kota mana aja yang pernah dikunjungi?
natural destinations
Mm.
in Malang. For example, Mount Bromo.
Mm.
Uh,
special place in that city is not salah. Yes, the most memorable moment when
Mhm.
I visit Bromo were the beauty of the sunrise, the sea of sand, the Bromo crater, and the vast savanna. I also
Mhm.
met several tourists from various countries there. I recommended exploring the Bromo crater on foot or on horseback because it's an exciting experience. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, coba Sis Naila. Experience.
Experience.
Oke, agak sedikit kesalahan ya tadi ya. When you try to say sebut pengalaman ya. Jadi langsung aja
Iya.
experience nih. Oke, historical Sis Naila slow but sure ya. Jadi pelan-pelan gak apa-apa banget ya Sis Naila. Yang penting Sis Naila berani mencoba. Oke, penyusunan
Okay.
kalimatnya oke ya Sis Naila. Penyusunannya oke
Thank you.
banget nih. Untuk confidence-nya oke juga. Tingkatkan terus Sis Naila. Historical for this one is exactly because it's gonna eliminate your insecurity when you try to speak. Soalnya itu adalah masalah utama kita ya ketika kita belajar bahasa ya pada basic. Jadi kita masih insecure, tapi Sis Naila berani untuk melawannya. Lawan terus ya Sis Naila, agar nanti
Okay.
that you're gonna get about really good progress nih for this. Oke, itu aja Sis Naila ya. Jadi pengucapannya aja tadi agak sedikit ragu-ragu. Penyusunannya aman,
Yeah.
persiapannya matang banget. It's a really cool ya. Oke, thank you. So, it's a really cool
Thank you.
everyone. You're welcome. Give applause to our friend who have tried it ya. 1 minute challenge that we have about. Wow, ada banyak ya, Sis Raisa, ada juga Sis Sofia, Sis Eka, Bro Fahmi, Sis Lala, and Sis Naila. Alright, kita lihat besok siapa lagi ya yang akan mencoba, dikarenakan besok itu kita akan memiliki discussion group ya. Sorry, our group discussion for tomorrow. Jadi kita akan membahas beberapa topik, tapi kita diskusikan bareng-bareng dengan tim ya. Thank you for coming teman-teman, kita ketemu lagi besok and see you tomorrow.